Here's a not so fun fact: 54% of Americans actually live paycheck to paycheck. That's right, over half of us are one unexpected expense away from financial disaster. But here's the thing: it doesn't have to be this way. Stick around and I'll show you how to break free from this cycle. We're diving into the art of money handling. It's not just about earning more, it's about managing what you have like a boss. Whether you're drowning in debt or just want to level up your finances, these steps will be your financial life raft. That's why today I'll take it to tips for managing your finances wisely. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the Thrive Wise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. Managing money isn't exactly a skill we're born with. Most of us are out here winging it, and that's where things get messy. First up, overspending. It's like a bad habit we can't shake. We see something shiny and suddenly our wallets are opening faster than you can say buyer's remorse. But here's the truth: that temporal high from buying stuff, it's costing you your financial future. Then there's the B word: budget. For many, it's as appealing as a root canal. We avoid it like the plague, telling ourselves we'll mentally keep track. Spoiler alert, that never works out. And let's not forget about those sneaky, unexpected expenses. Your car decides to break down, your roof starts leaking, or your pet needs emergency surgery. These financial curveballs can knock even the most prepared person off their game. But perhaps the biggest challenge is financial literacy. Schools teach us how to photosynthesize, but forget to mention compound interest. We're expected to navigate a complex financial world with the equivalent of a paper map and a broken compass. The result is stress, anxiety, and a whole lot of sleepless nights worrying about money. But don't worry, I've got your back. It's time to turn this financial ship around. So buckle up, because we're about to turn you from a money amateur into a cash connoisseur. Starting off with number 1, expense tracking. First things first, expense tracking. Think of yourself as Sherlock Holmes, but instead of solving murders, you're solving the mystery of the vanishing paycheck. Did you know that the average person underestimates their weekly spending by almost 20%? That's like thinking you ate one slice of pizza when you actually demolished the whole pie. Time to face the cheesy, saucy truth of your spending habits. My favorite method for tackling this is the receipt reckoning. Keep every receipt for a month. Yes, every single one. Even that gum wrapper sized one from the vending machine. At the end of the month, you spread them out like you're recreating a scene from A Beautiful Mind. You categorize them, add them up, and prepare for your jaw to drop. It's financial archaeology. You're digging through the layers of your spending to uncover the hidden treasures, or in this case, hidden money drains. Who knows? You might discover you're single-handedly keeping the local coffee shop in business. Number 2, saving strategies. Now let's talk savings. Saving money is like trying to fill a leaky bucket. It seems impossible at first until you plug the holes. And boy, do we have holes in our financial buckets. Here's a mind-blowing statistic. If you save just $5 a day from age 25 to 65, you'd have over $300,000, assuming a 7% annual return. That's right, your daily latte could be the down payment on your beachfront retirement home. And if you're gonna ask me, my favorite saving hack would be the invisible money technique. You set up automatic transfers to your savings account the day after payday. It's like that chunk of money never even existed in your checking account. Out of sight, out of mind, and into your savings. Think of it as playing a trick on your future self. Future you will be so impressed with past you's financial wizardry. It's like time travel, but for your bank account. Number 3, the debt demolition derby. Now let's address the elephant in the room: debt. It's like a clingy ex that just won't let go. But we're about to serve it some papers and kick it to the curb. First, we've got the avalanche method. You list your debts from highest interest rate to lowest, and you pay minimums on everything, but throw every extra penny on the highest interest rate debt. It's like playing whack-a-mole with your debts, but way more satisfying. Then there's the snowball method. Same idea, but you start with the smallest debt. It's perfect for those who need quick wins to stay motivated. Each debt you knock out is like leveling up in a video game. Ding! Achievement unlocked, which is financial freedom. Number 4. The emergency fund. Let's talk about the unsung hero of personal finance, the emergency fund. It's like an airbag for your money. You hope you never need it, but boy are you glad it's there when you do. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. I know it sounds about as achievable as climbing Everest on flip-flops. But remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is financial security. You can start small. Even $1,000 can be the difference between an inconvenience and a financial catastrophe. It's like having a financial superhero in your back pocket, ready to swoop in and save the day when your car decides it's had enough of this mortal coil. Number 5. Investing. Now for the fun part. Investing. It's time to make your money work harder than a squirrel before winter. Here's a fact that will knock your socks off. If you invested $1,000 in Amazon stock in 2009, it would be worth over $23,000 today. That's a 2,200% return, which makes that savings account interest look like pocket change, doesn't it? But before you go all Wolf of Wall Street, all you need to remember is that diversification is key. Never put all of your eggs in one basket, unless you want to end up with financial egg on your face. Consider index funds. They're like the buffet of the investment world. A little bit of everything while minimizing risk and maximizing potential returns. It's the closest thing to a set it and forget it strategy in investing. Number 6. The side hustle. Finally, let's talk about boosting that income. In today's gig economy, side hustles are hotter than a Tesla stock on steroids. Did you know that 45% of Americans have a side hustle? From dog walking to dropshipping, the possibilities are practically endless. It's like playing career roulette, but every slot is a winner. My personal favorite is just selling your stuff. It's amazing what people will buy. That bread maker you used once? Sold. The exercise bike that's doubling as a clothes hanger? That's sold too. It's like turning your home into a gold mine, minus the hard hats and dynamite. Remember that every extra dollar you earn is a dollar that can go towards your financial goals. It's like finding money in your coat pocket, but instead of a coat, it's your whole life. Now picture this. 2 people, same age, same job, same salary. Let's call them Spendy Sam and Frugal Fran. Fast forward 20 years, Sam's living paycheck to paycheck, drowning in debt, and stress eating his way through his life. While Fran, she's sipping a pina colada on a beach, having retired early. The difference was financial management. Fran treated her money like a loyal employee. She budgeted, saved, and invested wisely, even watching her wealth grow exponentially. Sam, he treated his cash like a party guest, here for a good time, not a long time. But here's the thing. Fran didn't just gain financial freedom. She gained time freedom, stress freedom, and the ability to say yes to life's opportunities without checking her bank balance first. Good financial management isn't just about money. It's about creating options, reducing stress, and building the life you want. It's about turning your paycheck into a ticket to your dreams, not just a means to pay bills. All you need to remember is that every financial decision you make is a vote for the future that you want. So, are you voting for financial freedom or are you voting for financial frustration? The choice is in your hands. Basically, all you need to keep in mind is that good financial management isn't about being rich. It's about being smart with what you have. Take control of your finances today And you're not just saving money, you're investing in your future self. Was it worth it? Share your story in the comments. Let's see who's the ultimate money saving maverick. And well, that's basically tips for managing your finances wisely. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Watch it to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.